Hello everyone, today I will discuss about the PMJSY project, which is a centrally sponsored scheme introduced in 2000 by the then Prime Minister of India, late Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Okay, I will discuss this tutorial with a brief history, then aim and the progress report of PMJSY, and after that little discussion about green cover. Starting it off with history. This program has been started on 25th December 2000 under the Ministry of Rural Development, and it was fully sponsored by central government till 2015. After 2015, the fund allocation criteria has been changed after the discussion in Parliament of India. The central government would allocate 60% of the total fund, and the rest of fund, that is 40%, will be allocated by state government. PMJSY is a special central intervention as a part of a poverty reduction strategy. Guys, let me tell you that PMJSY is not only a road development program for India, but it was the major focus uh, it was a major focus on poverty reduction also. Like around 1992, 1995 or 2000, there were many schemes that the government of India had launched to eradicate poverty. PMJSY was the one of them, and it was a great success that PMJSY succeed in the poverty eradication uh, programs. Like many people think that how would the road connectivity can eradicate poverty. Guys, many people of India live in rural areas, so the major production, that is the agriculture product, shall come to market by the road only. So the road connectivity is the major focus for the eradication of poverty. Anyways, the aims the aim was to provide roads to all villages with a population of 1000% and above by the year 2003, and with a population of 500 persons and above by the year 2007. These criteria were for plains and in hilly state, tribal and desert area villages with a population of 500 and above by 2003, and in hilly state, tribals and desert areas villages with a population of 250 persons and above shall be connected by the year 2007. Okay, let's discuss the progress report of PMJSY. It was started in the year 2000, and out of 1,78,000 habitations, like, okay, the data is very important. The out of 1,78,000 habitations with a population of above 500 in plains and about 250 in hilly areas planned to be connected by all weather roads. Out of those, 55% is, that is 97,838, were connected by March 2014, and the 80% population were connected by December 2017. Okay, 82% is here, the 80% or 1,31,000 people under PMJSY and 2% under state government scheme. There were many states those launched the complementary state scheme known as Mukhya Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, that were run by various state governments, are the scheme that complement PMJSY, including in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, etc. Pending work included harsh terrain state of Assam, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand, as well as left-wing Naxalite Maoist extremist infested state of Chhattisgarh, some districts of Jharkhand, and Malkangiri district of Odisha. Okay, the interesting fact is that the average speed of road construction under the PMJS5 was 98.5 kilometers per day from the year 2004 to 2014. It rose to 130 kilometers per day in the fiscal year 2016-17. Okay, one more thing is that the some government is planning to cover roads with green saplings. Okay, this has to be done by the planting of tree saplings, including the plants of fruit bearing tree saplings, and various attempts were also made to cover the roads